A parabola has the vertex at -3, -1 and another point at -5, -61. So in the problem, vertex is -3, -1 and some other point. So let's just write as point is given. And we have to find out the y value at -2 and y value at 0 and subtract. Now, let's recall the vertex form of a quadratic function. So it looks this: a times x minus h quantity square plus k, where h and k are the coordinates of the vertex. So in this case, we can write f of x equals a is something we don't know yet. X minus h becomes x plus 3 quantity square, and k, oh, it's -3, -1. So k is -1. So this is the equation of the parabola. Now we can plug this point. This point says when x is -5, f of x is -61. F of x is same as y. So we can write -61 equals a times x is -5 plus 3. -5 plus 3 is -2. So let's go ahead and write that. So -61 equals 4a minus 1. Adding 1 on both sides, you get -60 equals 4a, or a equals -15. Now, once we have this information, we can write down the equation of the quadratic, which is -15 times x plus 3 quantity square. So I don't have to write h. I can use this one. Square minus 1. And now all I have to do is find out what f of -2 is and what f of 0 is. And the best thing to do is put it in a calculator. So here we can define the function f of x equals, so go to y equals and type in what you see here. It's -15, so I'm going to push the negative key, 15, then parentheses x plus 3. So this is x plus 3 quantity square. So square key is right here. Minus 1. So this is what I have in the calculator, and that's what was written over there. Now, once you input your function in your calculator, you can either compute manually or you can just look for a table of values. So you can push the second blue key and then push this button that says graph, but right above that in blue is table. So when you push that, you get a table of values. So now notice, f of -2 I can copy from the calculator. F of -2 is -16, and f of 0 is 2 down below, -136. So we copied those numbers, and now we subtract. F of -2 minus f of 0 is -16, and we have to subtract -136, which is to say that we want to add 136, and the answer is 120.